solution of the YouTube short in which the Java code was given was the pattern type. Let us solve line by line. Let's start. So the first line, public class unique pattern. The class named is unique pattern and the U is capital as we start the name with capital letter. Number 2, the main method start from here. Public static void main string args. It is the program line where the program actually starts its execution. Line number 3, int size equal to 5. Here we declare the integer variable size with the value 5 and it stores the number of rows in the pattern. Now line number 4 where I is starting from 0 and ending it till the size that is 5 and being incremented by 1 by each line. This loop controls the row in this pattern. Line number 5, it is another for loop from starting from j value 0 until it is equal to 1. This loop controls the printing value in each row. Inside this we have a system.out.print in its inner loop. Here we are using a typecasting char and it starts with the ASCII value of a which is 65 and in each line of iteration it is increased by 1 with the value of j. So next will be a that is 65 plus b that is 66. In this way it is going to print. Line number 7, this closes the inner loop which prints one row of the pattern. Line number 8, system.out.println. ln is used to print to the next line. So the cursor move to the next line and again it is passed to the outer loop. Line number 9, this closes the outer loop which controls the number of rows. Line number 10 closes the main method. Line number 11, it closes the unique pattern class. That's all. This will be the final output. A, then in the next line AB, then in the next line ABC, like this. It will printing up to E. A, B, C, D, E, that is up to 5, that is I equal to 5. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.